The first time we came to the site 5 years ago, there was a line of trees, the clouds had come down, there was a slight mist, and that is the impression of the site that we took back to the studio with us and started designing.
When we got this site, it was already blessed with what you can see around the hills, the paddy fields, a setting of a village, kind of a natural setting where the structures themselves are nothing special. I mean, if you look at these bungalows, they are simply sloping roofs, which are more like pavilions. The clubhouses made in that same manner, where there are more large-hearted spaces which are open, much like our client. I mean, something that we are very glad to have him, because it's his vision that he sort of spoke to us about. The protagonist in all this is actually the nature, the breeze coming through, and all the drama of the nature, which sort of you get through the windows, through the courtyard, through the verandas, and that is what we really wanted to do.
The drama that happens, the seasons, the rain, the lashing rain sometimes, and you're sitting inside and you are enjoying what is happening outside. Everything doesn't face one way. We look at on one side are the hills, on the other side are the paddy fields, on the other side we are looking at a tree that is close by. In the distance we can see the cows. So it's about the surrounding. We've given you a space where you sit inside and you enjoy what is happening around you. The roots of this project are set in nature-inspired wellness, and Bliss has become a very loved project. So we are going to take the same approach forward. The setting, a beautiful setting like Igatpuri, is going to see a second phase, third phase, more projects of the same nature, where the surroundings remain untouched, yet we are able to build in a very sustainable, eco-friendly way in the future.